Welcome in, everyone. This is with meteorologist Landon Riffle, in the weather center, keeping you all updated across severe weather situation. We do have severe thunderstorm watch in effect, including the North Platte area, until midnight tonight. And we do have a few severe thunderstorm warnings to talk about. This one down here. This is for northwest Hitchcock and northeastern Dundy County for 3-inch hail. 60-mile-per-hour winds is possible with this storm. And this one including Hayes Center, southeast Chase, southwest Hayes County, $half size hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. And we also do have a few special weather statements. This is for north central frontier, southeast Lincoln counties through 9:45, 50 to 55-mile-an-hour winds and nickel-size hail. That. And this one down here, for northeastern Lincoln, southeastern Logan, and west central Custer counties through 10 o'clock. 40-mile-per-hour winds and penny-size hail. That. Definitely want to keep an eye on that. Also, we do have severe thunderstorm warning out of Goodland's National Weather Service over here for southern Yuma, northeastern Kit Carson, western Cheney, northwestern Sherman County until 10:15. $half size hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds with that. So these are mainly for $half size hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated if we do get any more warnings. So just want to remind you all that we do have. Oh, is this a new warning? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Northwestern Hitchcock County, northeastern Dundy County. This is for tennis ball size hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds with that storm. And there is also a full flash flood warning for northeastern Dundy County and northwestern Hitchcock County, because these thunderstorms have dumped trend amounts of rain in that area, and I mean torrential. So definitely want to be above ground if you're in that area. There are a few storms near Lexington. No warnings. But again, there are special weather statements. So I think at this time we'll let you guys get back to your regular schedule programming. I don't think there will be any more warnings through Dawson County or anything. Exceptional Dundy and Hitchcock County. We'll cut in for those guys. But tomorrow we're going to do mass cut-ins we do have an enhanced risk including Grand Island, Central City, Columbus, David City. It could reach Hastings. We are calling it a weather alert day tomorrow. So just make sure to have multiple ways to receive weather updates through tomorrow and tonight. Right now, I'll get you back to your regular programming.